Happy Sunday, y'all. I don't know what y'all were doing at 9 o'clock this morning, but this is exactly what we were doing at 9 o'clock this morning. Unfortunately, one of our baby chicks decided to go and be with the good Lord, so we had to put a beautiful little ceremony together for it. Look, I don't make the rules. That's what the kids said we had to do. They got to work, and that's what we did. Following that, you know, we got to get these animals fed because they do not feed themselves, but what they will do is they will yell, kick, scream, do all kinds of things to get your attention until you come out here and you feed them. And, of course, I have to get my little sweeperoo in here because all this hay from the goats jumping on the bales and the kids throwing stuff around and just dirt flying in the wind and everything else, we got to keep some kind of maintenance in here, you know what I mean? Because when it's chaotic, I feel chaotic and I just can't do it. But we are going to go bug Daddy, see what he's doing, because he told me that he's getting some material delivered for our driveway. All right, I got to go rush to work so I can come home and go